Welcome to this Box One-on-One Essential Training video. In this second video in a series of 5, you'll learn how to create a new folder and how to upload files to that folder. To create a folder, click New Folder in the upper right. I'll name it Meetings, and then click Create. Notice that you can invite collaborators in this dialog box by typing in their username. I will not add any collaborators for now because I want to keep this folder private. Uploading content is quick and easy. Open the folder to choose to upload files or folders. Click the Upload button in the middle of the page. Notice that you can choose File or Folder. If you upload a folder, Box will upload the entire folder, including all the files and subfolders and the content of any of the subfolders. I'll upload one document. Note that you can upload more than one document at a time. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see an indication of your upload progress, and at the top, a notice that your file has been uploaded.